some random guy came to you and telling you that don't use these types of products, Arduino or whatever it is Dev, it is ESP32 Dev module also. Yeah, but why I am saying you that don't use these types of microcontrollers or Arduino right now? Because you are just making toys out of this. Although it is most powerful thing in your hand, it's a microcontroller, means it can do anything. You just have to say to it, means in a command form you have to just compile your code in this. So why I am saying you to don't this? Because yeah, I understand if you are making projects and toys for your school, for your college, for your higher studies. Although I don't recommend you to make this type use these types of microcontrollers or Arduinos for a higher studies. You can design your own microcontroller yourself, because at that level you have enough knowledge for designing. If you don't know, we can learn it. I am also learning. So get back to our point. Main point is why to not use this? Because if you are just making toys out of it and just searching tutorials on it, that how to make this, how to use ESP32 cam, yeah, it's okay to use, but you are making just a toys little bit spy camera and what does this mean? Mean the conclusion is I am just giving you that you can use it as well as much better as you think. Let me show you an example. I have this some normal calculator. So it's right now it displays blank. Okay, so what in my hand is, this is a polarized glass material plastic. Okay, so you can't see right now anything here, but whenever I just add this polarized glass, you can see its details. Why this is happening? Because I have just removed this polarized glass and it is in my hand. You can, the main idea is that you can fit these types of material in your glasses specs, and you have your own calculator that only you can see it. So you can use this. You can change its microcontroller to Arduino and make your own calculator. It will display whatever you want. So it's just an idea. You can use also, right? Yeah, you can use also to crack your examinations, normal examinations, school, college. It's just an idea I am giving you. So the way I am thinking that you can do anything by using these and Dev modules, but you just have to use your brain and ChatGPT also. You can also use DeepSeek and any types of AI, but ChatGPT is more reliable for right now conditions. So I am just here to tell you that just use ChatGPT and AI and make this microcontroller to make a better life in your routine, examination, any types of. But just use this. Be a smart guy and just use this to in your college, in your, you can just use as a this as a spy camera. ESP32 is a not small camera module, so you can use as a here, means if you tangle it in your shirt, and it can use API to ask ChatGPT 3.0 or any version to answer whatever it sees. Means if you can use it just like if you have hand a question paper in your hand, you just slightly pulls down and hold your question paper like this, and your camera in your shirt, it will hidden, so it will automatically recognize the text and send it to ChatGPT API and answer it in your calculator. And yeah, nothing more to say in this, because you can modify many more things. You know very much well that types of things. So I just came here to tell you that don't make just toys out of it. Just think and make much more better things by using this microcontroller. And further you can also design your own microcontroller in future with more capabilities, with high RAM, high PSRAM and all. So right now we are ending this, but subscribe to my channel if you want to know more things about Arduino Uno, and much more ideas are coming here way. So subscribe to my channel, and next video I am thinking to make on how you can design these types of microcontroller. Although I am also learning, so let's see. Hope for the future, and subscribe to my channel.